Good evening, YouTube. I'm Fathead. You're watching Fathead's Adventures in Homesteading. Alright, welcome to what will be the 10th and final episode of the chicken coop adventure. Alright, so got it finally finished. We're going to take a little look-see here. Oh, I should back up a little bit. Sorry. So this is, what is the south side? Got it all plastic down, got it patched. You can see I did a little stain job on it just to kind of make it look a little more consistent. There's the roof I showed you guys all about. Oh, trying to kill myself back here, sorry. Alright, so you can see I went with half clear and half wood paneling on the north side just to try and help keep the weight down. I went ahead and did clear paneling on the front as well. So, you can see it turned out pretty darn good. I'm pretty happy with it. And then show you guys inside here. Got the little latch here. Take the latch off. And oh my goodness, look at there's the chickies. Holy cow. Seem to be loving it though. One already roosted up on the pole there. Chilling out. There's their watering nest bowl for them. So yeah, got her done. Thanks for all your support, everybody. I appreciate it. It's always great. I hope you have a wonderful day and a blessed day, and we'll talk to you next time.